Good afternoon, Professor. So this is my personal timetable of this week. So last week I will be working with my paper writing with SARS-CoV detection work. I'm working on the introduction part. For the RFV paper, I had a meeting with Dr. Sachin and removed some similarity content, and we finished the formatting of RF paper as per the Advanced Biotechnology journal format. For the TA work, I prepared EDS, PPT preparation and submission to KLAS system for the class, and continuously helping the new student application support. He sent me the original document. When I will receive the document, I will submit to the international office. This week I'm continuing my introduction part and planning for FE-SAM. Professor gave me some special content to prepare the structure of aspirin and penicillin drug and anti-inflammatory reactions for the explanation part. So I'm going to prepare this for our professor. For the TA work, I prepared the PPT preparation for a video lecture. Also, I prepared a new ADS video lecture preparation and submissions, and for the new student I will submit his document. As I will receive his document, I will submit it to international office. So this is my corona detection by graphene EDC NHS composite by IDC biosensor using SARS-CoV recombinant protein. I'm considering the advanced functional material and science advances as well as biosensor and bioelectronics, especially issue for the corona sensing. These are advantages of our research. Real-time detection, response time is very low, picomolar level detection, and high sensitivity, high selectivity, miniaturized potential state development, personalized management at POC. This is another paper writing plan for the AD detection using the same graphene EDC NHS composites. Another for RF IDC biosensor, which is our another for PSA sensing application, which Dr. Sachin already ordered. This is my next level plan for the tau protein detection. Tau protein is also Alzheimer biomarker. This is our research for the SARS-CoV-2 graphene IDC research. Our chip, and this is our SARS-CoV structure. This is the main theme, SARS-CoV detection by graphene biocomposite by IDC biosensor using SARS-CoV recombinant protein. So this is our corona detection biosensing technology plans, which we are going to follow in our research work. This is our all the contents for our paper. As professor suggests me, I changed our title of the paper. For the surface characterization, I'm going to prepare the FE-SAM this week. I'll ask my juniors for the reservation. This is my detailed schedule for the coronavirus paper. Title abstract already finished, working on introduction, conceptual figure part. Next, characterization, data and plotting of the results, methodology, results and discussion, and final optimization and data setup for the paper. As professor suggests me to use 2 or 3 candidates for the title, sir, I select and made some titles. Ultra fast and reusable IDC sensor for the SARS-CoV-2 detection towards point of care COVID-19 diagnostics. A label-free miniaturized sandwich biosensor for SARS-CoV-2 electrical detection via microfabricated interdigitated capacitor. Another one is ultra-fast and sensitive IDC sensor for SARS-CoV-2 detection towards point-of-care COVID-19 diagnostics. Another one is ultra-fast and sensitive sensing at point-of-care COVID-19 management, rapid detection technologies, which is a state of art. Another one is ultra fast and sensitive point of care diagnostic sensor, state of art for COVID-19 management. So this is our authors list and of affiliation of information of our professor. Abstract part I already finished. So this is abstract part. There will be some modification at the end when I finish all the paper. And for the introduction I'm working like already finished some part. This is our introduction part, and this is our all the reference I have put it simultaneously. While continuing the introduction part, I'm going to finish this as soon as possible, trying to finish this week, sir. This is our IDC based detection technology, what we are using with the graphene EDC NHS and SPAT antibody for the detection of recombinant protein. This EDC NHS chemistry on graphene oxide. How we can see in this process. This is our D5 sensing recipe. We have optimized the data as per our lab environment. This is our experiment process chart already presented to our professor. Experiment process chart continuing, and this one is our experiment process chart continuing. D5 chip, which is our main IDC which we are using here for the testing. This is information of IDC design D5. Some results, capacitance results, optical microscopic results. This is a D5 sensitivity results, tabular form results. D5 chip results, selectivity testing, in which we have used PS antigen, AD patient, and recombinant protein of SARS coronavirus. This is a tabular form again with the selectivity results and graphene oxide EDC optical microscopic results. This is EDC NHS coating, antibody emulation, and this is antibody emulation results, and I'm referencing part. I'm taking some references for our paper. This is our chip. I need to modify this chip as per the results I will get. I will modify this part. So the step-by process I'm following. I also need to modify, as I will get the results. I will modify these results with the new chip design. This is our antigen dilution which I have done. Dilutions, and for the equivalent circuit I'm having some reference, taking some reference of the paper. I'm trying to make some equivalent circuit for our D5 chip. For the TA work, I prepared the video preparation for the next Monday class. PPT preparation for the next video lecture, face-to-face class management for Monday, and students queries and classes on weekends, big days. This is my personal achievement plan, sir. I'm working on this paper writing for my co-author paper. One paper is published in ACS Applied Biomaterial. This is my conference or seminar abstract. Some already published and accepted for the conferences. That's all, Professor. Thank you, sir.